How to redeem Spotify premium code. Got a Spotify premium code? Here's how to redeem it safely and unlock your subscription in just a few steps. So first, go ahead and log into your Spotify account using the app or browser. Make sure you're signed in to your account that you want to upgrade. So once you're signed in to your Spotify account, go ahead and open up a new tab and then look for spotify.com/redeem. And then hit on enter and that will take you into the redeem page. So in here, you'll be able to enter the premium code that you currently have. So you need to enter the PIN on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code from your in-store receipt. And then click on continue. And then after that, once you refresh your Spotify account, you will then be prompted into your premium account. And that is how to redeem Spotify premium code.